Hello, I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be showing how we can update the members in the website that's created by using Pukit. To do that, you need to have an admin access. So by that what it means is when you sign up, which I showed in last video, you will be using an email address and provide a password. The email and the password, the user that's created at the time of sign up will be an admin automatically. So from there, you can start adding members using that info. To do so, open up your website. For our case, it's democofc.pukit.com. Click on members. You will get into a login page. Use the email that you used here and the password you provided here. If you don't remember your password, you can hit forget password and reset your password. So once you log in, you will see the admin dashboard. Now Pukit provides two plans, starter plan and growth plan. In starter plan, you will only see member directory and the website content. All these other options, all these other features to manage the visitors, duty, Sunday bulletins, put your videos, prayer list is available in the growth plan. So now getting back to updating your member directory. Once you are in admin dashboard, click member directory. Here, as you can see, the user that was used to sign up is already there. There are two ways to add new users. First, by using this button, add members, and another is to bulk upload. You can even add multiple members at once. First, we'll look into adding members using this button. To do so, click add members. The email address is optional because we found some of the members of the congregation might not have email address. For this purpose, I'll use a test email address, test@test.com. Now the members can be the role of the members can be member, admin, delegated scheduler, delegated bulletin editor, delegated scheduler, and bulletin editor. So member will be the regular members who will be able to log into the dashboard and view, mostly just view the member directory and their profile and the bulletin that has been published. Admin has right to add, update, edit, or delete the information. So be very careful whom you provide admin access. Delegated schedulers are members who can edit the duty roster. They can update the duty rosters. Delegated bulletin editors are the ones who can work on bulletins. And if somebody needs to work on both scheduler and bulletin editor, but we don't want to provide them all the information about billing and other stuff, then we can assign them delegated scheduler and bulletin editor. For this purpose, I will go with member. This is my test user. So first name test, last name user. Date of birth and anniversary date, both are optional. We recommend providing them because this will be available in the member directory when you download them, first, and second, during their birth date or anniversary date, your website will send them a warm wishes, the greetings. Let's select January 3rd and anniversary October 16. Year is completely optional though. You do not need to provide year if you don't want to. Phone number. Phone number is required. You need to provide a phone number here for a member, so other members can contact them, or like when there is an emergency or you wanna need to contact them, you will be able to. Address. Let's provide drive. I will just okay. Now you can leave the password blank when you are adding the user. What your website will do is it'll send an email to that user in the email address you have provided here, and they can set their password. Now confirm the information is correct. So mobile type, okay. This is empty. This is empty. Okay. I'm leaving password empty. Okay. So hit create user. The user is added. Okay. This is one way to create the user. Another is to add multiple users at once, which will save lots of time not having to add one user at a time. To do that, click this button, bulk add members. Now this saves the information, what fields, and like what will happen if there is any error, or your birth and anniversary date, and so on and so forth. And there's also a example CSV file here. Download that example CSV file and open it. So it comes with some information pre-populated. These are dummy information just to give an idea of what should be there. So as you can see here, email, first name, last name, primary phone, secondary phone, address 1, address 2, city, Jeep, zip, birth month, birthday, birth year, and anniversary. Okay, I'll leave them as it is for now. I'll delete them later so I can refer to these. It might be confusing what information should go there. Now I want to, the email address for next user is test.test@email.com, and he or she is going to be my second user. I'm using dummy names here. Primary phone 555-321-1. Okay, doesn't have a secondary phone, that's okay. Address, okay. Birth month February, date 15th. I'll leave the year empty. This user doesn't have anniversary date, so I'll leave it empty. And the role is user. In the drop down here, right, when we were doing this in the drop down, the role was member, but when we are uploading, that same role is user. Do not be confused on that. Next user is, let's say, Eric. Eric. Buck. 4 addresses 321. I'll again make it main street itself. Let's say this time the user is from Buford, Georgia. I do not know the zip code of Buford. I will just put in random, but make sure to put the correct information when you're doing this. April 2. I do not want to provide birth here. Anniversary, 5th month, days 10. And suppose let's have an example of providing a year to 2006. This user is admin. Okay, for the sake of this example, let's add one more user. Third user is Jane. First name Jane, last name Smith, phone number 443-890-6789, 546 Lake Street. Let's see, this user is from Buford 2. Member, sorry, birth month, year, 2, and this user. Now I'll go ahead and delete this dummy information, the example information that was there. Delete them all. Okay, I'll save this. This is user upload example 10. I have 3 users, Des2, Eric, Jane. I added a user before. What email address did I use? Test. What's the email address? Test.email. Okay. The same, we cannot reuse the same email address. This is a constraint. Constraint in a way. The different users will have different email address. So email address is unique per user. It's good. It's in that assumption. So I was checking if the email address was same, but with the previous one. But this is different. So I'll just confirm if the information is correct. Okay, this looks good to me. I'll save it. I just have 3 users here, for example, but you can have as many as you want. Okay. Now here, and I will drag that spreadsheet and drop it here. And then upload user. Now, if all our information there is correct, the system will upload and it'll show you users uploaded successfully. And those users are here now. Eric Book, Des2 user, Jane Smith. Okay, we made Eric Book admin and others are regular members. So these are the 2 methods how you can add members to your member directory. Now, when the time comes, or we need to provide a member directory or like a printed copy, this button, download member directory, hit that button, it'll download the file. Let me download it again. Okay, so this is the one. Eric, Jane, Rob, Test. This is how the member directory will come. You can print it or you can provide a soft copy to the members. Okay, that's how we add members. 2 different methods to add members here and download the member directory. Now, we want to search or find a specific user. You can use the search. If you want to find by role, we haven't added any delegated scheduler or bulletin editor, so there are no users there. We have 2 admin and we have 3 members, so based on roles. And status is if users are active or suspended, like some users might be removed or and so on and so forth. We can also search users by birth month. Suppose for January, test user has their birth date on January. Same thing for anniversary. We do not have any users. Okay. That's how you use the search that's available in your member directory. Now, to edit user, come to this action section, click on the pencil icon here. The information opens. You want to update this member from member to delegated scheduler or admin or any role. Select that. You can also edit any other information like their name, birth date, phone numbers, address, right? And you can click this button to send the password setup link. If the members forget to set up their password or they forget their password and are not able to recover it, as an admin, you can come here, click the member and hit this button. Then they will get a password setup link. You can also add the emails for that member if you want to. Okay. And update the user. Once the update succeeds, the information gets updated. Similarly, you can delete the users or you can suspend the users. User is suspended, and if you delete the user, you'll get a confirmation box here which says, are you sure you want to delete this user? This action cannot be undone. If you're sure, hit delete, or you can hit cancel to go back and the user won't be deleted. In this case, I will delete it and the user is deleted. You can sort users, sort based on their email to make it easier to find as well. This is almost all about member directory, how you can use it, how you can add users, how you can edit their information, how you can send them the password reset link. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to us at support@pewkit.com. We'll see you in another video where we will talk about other sections. Thank you. Have a good day.